Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use gems in Archero 2. So as you can see guys, I have got 3000 gems. This is not a lot, but I will tell you how you can use the gems. The most popular way to use the gems is revive in the game. So when you die, you can use your gems to revive. It costs 30 gems to revive, guys. So you can revive only once per game. So you can use your gems to revive. Also, you can use the gems in the shop, guys. When you go to the shop, as you can see, there are some daily shops. You can buy these items. For example, the second item, Echo Ring, costs 35 gems. Also, you can buy this chest, guys. It costs 4,000 gems. So another way how you can use the gems is shopping, guys. Also, guys, you can use the gems to buy the characters. So for example, when you go to the equip and go to the characters section right here, you can see that some of the characters, for example, Helix, costs 3000 gems. So you can use these gems to buy Helix. Also, guys, you can use the gems to create your own guild. So, for example, when you open the guild function, when you finish the 5th chapter, you will open the guilds in the game, and then you can create your own guild. So, for example, when you try to create your own guild, you can see that it costs 500 gems. So these are the main ways how you can spend your gems in the game. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.